Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. And so, as you can see in the previous video, I already kind of had my master bathroom a beach theme, but Dollar Tree is starting to come out with some really cute stuff, guys. Some of y'all probably like, oh, that's already been in there, but for my area, I've been seeing them post it or put it up a lot more just recently, so I'm super excited. So they have the shore living little, what would you call it? I guess temporarily design, I guess you want to say, and it is super cute. I like it. I'm gonna try to do some crafts with it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I wanted to show you a quick little Dollar Tree haul that I just picked up. So let me show you some of my ideas. The first thing I decided to pick up, and I have a cute idea for it, is a ship wheel. So I think they're called the hem of the ship, and it is all wood. And so I have an idea of possibly painting this. Usually, typically, these are like wood color, but I think it would be cute, maybe black. Next thing I decided to get, because it was super cute, is this little vase that has a fish on it. It's like a light, it doesn't look like this in this video, but it's like a light blue. I have another one, so I decided to buy two of them because I like the color and it'll go with the scheme that I'm doing, or the theme. And this one is a more kind of navy bluish, and I have some plans for these as well. I'm probably gonna put some kind of flower stuff in them, but I'm trying to think of what would go well with it. That would be kind of beachy vibes, but not super big. I know palm trees are beachy vibes, but obviously we cannot put probably palm trees in here because they'd probably be too heavy. And of course I would prefer it to probably be like the fake flowers, just because they last longer and I wouldn't have to change them out so much. So the next item that I decided to pick up is a cute little word that says relax. Now, typically, I probably wouldn't pick these up for only one reason, because my husband does 3D printing, so we can make our own kind of name things. But I like the writing, and I have a cute idea for this. So next one that I decided to grab, it says breathe. And I really like this because, as I told you guys, I am starting to try to do some mental health, not necessarily therapy, but just getting myself in line with mental health. So this is a great just mental note to, sometimes when you're in the bathroom or you're doing your hair or whatever you're doing, just takes that little second to breathe and detox all the stress or anything that is going on, and breathing techniques really help. Another thing that I got was this cute little plaque thing, kind of decor, and I like it because obviously it's thick enough that it can stand up by itself. And if you continue to follow me and subscribe, you'll see some more DIYs coming. I'm going to be making some shelves in the bathroom, so these will be perfect to sit on and be my little decor for my beach stuff. Another thing that I saw that they had that was super cute and I had to pick up was a little corkscrew bottle, I guess you could say, and it says sand of my favorite beach. Growing up in Florida, I've tried a couple beaches on the Gulf Coast. Not necessarily went too many on Atlanta side, but my favorite beach right now, I would have to say, is Anna Maria Island or around that area, like DeSoto beaches. So when I go back, I will be putting some of that sand in here, and then I can have it as a little memory and token from my favorite beach, and this can sit on my little shelf. Another cute thing that I found was this other little plaque, and its cute colors is that navy bluish color again, and it says beach vibes only, and you can stand it up and it can go on the shelf and be your little decor. I like it because, I mean, beach vibes only. I mean, growing up in Florida, you are always at the beach. So I really love this, and it would go great with my bathroom decor and the beach vibe area that I'm going to be creating. So as you guys know, this is not new. They have been selling nautical jute rope for a while. But what doesn't go well with a beach vibe with some nautical rope? So I'm not sure exactly what I want to do quite yet with it. But if I do something, I'm probably thinking of adding some knots in it, because you see ropes like this all the time at the beach with some knots. So stay tuned. Another thing that I have not seen is this cute little navy blue jute rope. So this rope, it's not super big, but I mean, it goes with the vibe. I mean, navy blue, bluish, baby blue, teal, goes with the vibe. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I got some ideas, so stay tuned again, because you never know what's coming up. So I have this as well, a anchor. I mean, that's clearly obvious that you always need an anchor in your beach decor. So I picked this up. They had a like rustic kind of farmhouse red one, but this is white, and I think I want to do some rustic vibes and add my own little touch to it. So I think this will be cute. Also, they had some bigger ones that was just all wood, but I have some ideas with that as well. But it was a little too big that I didn't want to put in there. At least this, I could maybe kind of lean it against the wall on my shelf, and it would be a cute little decor. Alright guys, I mean, you cannot go wrong with some sand dollars. So I got, obviously these are not, I don't think, real. I don't know if they're plastic or not. But, you gotta have some sand dollars and some seashells in your bathroom or wherever you're doing it at to, you know, create your decor for your beach vibes or theme that you're trying to go for. And then also I got actually those were, I think, starfish, sorry. These were the sand dollars. So now it'd be cool to get some real ones, which I one of these days want to try to find some at the beach. Alright guys, so this is almost done and over with my little haul, but I had to get some packing tape. Now typically I would get it at another store, but I really do like Dollar Tree's packing tape, and because I have my little side business of Farmhouse Decor and selling stuff with the 3D printing stuff, you know, we ship stuff all the time, so I needed to pick some of that up. Then on top of that, I really have liked Dollar Tree pens. You can never go wrong with them. I mean, some of them are maybe not the greatest, but these I really do like. They're kind of like gel penish vibes, but I really do like them. And this one is blue ink, so you can't go wrong with it. And of course, it's got my pink. And then lastly, guys, I'm going to be doing a DIY soon. So I want to make a little tier tray. And if you followed my other friend, Angel Creation, she had made one out of these. I didn't think that you could, but that's smart. She's smart. I don't think she made a video of it, but I will try to see if she can make it for the way she did hers, but I'm gonna make it the way I'm think how to make it. And this is going in my tea bar and hot chocolate bar, so stay tuned because it's gonna be super cute. I'm not gonna have this part probably showing. I'm gonna probably paint it, maybe, I don't know, or I might just leave it. Alright guys, so that is all of my haul today. I do have some other stuff that I have not shown y'all, so I'm gonna try to do another one soon that it's kind of old haul, but so you can see what I bought and some of my ideas and creations that I have in ideas for. So stay tuned. I have so many ideas, guys, that my brain just goes. So yeah. And on another note, I want y'all to see this nice card that is next to me. I really like this color. I'm gonna show y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.